Hello and welcome back to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can generate AI images by using Capcut app. So first of all, open Capcut app, then you will see this interface. Now in this home page you can see here option of text to image, right? So click here, and now in this page you can see I have already generated some images. So to generate image on Capcut, you need to change this prompt here. So first of all, remove this prompt, then describe the image you want to generate. Like I want to generate the image of a student reading a book in top of mountain. So I want to generate image in which a student reading book in a mountain. So write your prompt here, and then you can see option of two lines over here. Click on it. From here you can select what you want to generate, like you want to generate enemy or a general image. Then you can select the ratio, expect ratio for your image, like you want to generate the image in square or in Instagram size, or you want to image in landscape. So you need to select the ratio here, expect ratio here. At the bottom of your screen you can see there is an option of quality. So increase the quality of the image and make it 50 to generate better images, right? Then click on this tick button and now click on generate. Then wait for a few seconds. You will get 4 AI images here according to your prompt. Now you can see here we got 4 images where there are students who are reading books sitting in the mountain, right? So click on image which you like. Before opening any image, you can see two options here. First one is modify. So if you don't like the images and you want to modify the prompt, you can simply click on modify, make changes to the text, and again click on generate. And also there is second option which is regenerate. So if you don't like these 4 images, simply click on regenerate, then you will get 4 new images, right? So you can use these two options as well. Now to open any image and to save the image, just click on image, like I want to save this image, click on it. Now you can see 3 options here. First one is refine. So within the image which you selected, if you want to make some changes, simply refine here and add some text. Then the second option is upscale, and the third option is save. So I suggest you to click on upscale to get this image on better quality, then save this image. So I click in upscale. Now you will see here my image quality will get better, and then I will save my image here. Now you can see the quality of my image is better. So click on this save button, so this image will be saved into your gallery. So this is how you can easily generate AI images by using Capcut app. I hope you will like this video. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.